Now here I will demo the Ubuntu OS with a brief overview of the layout and show a few of the applications that will be helpful for our business environment. Now the basic layout, as you will see, is similar to Windows, so employees should have no problem adjusting to the new environment. We'll start off here with the login screen. Simply select your username, enter in your password, and as it loads up, you will be directed to the desktop. Here you see the desktop environment with all of our folders loaded on the main area, our application docked to the left, which can be adjusted to wherever the operator needs it to be. We have our app screen that gives us access to all the installed applications. Different file folders that are very similar to File Explorer on Microsoft. You see you have your categories to the left to select different documents. Similar window layouts. You have your activities bar up top, your settings on the right hand side for power off, locking, settings, checking your network connections, volume, basic operations as you see here. Now some of the pre-installed applications that you will find with Ubuntu would be these right here, the LibreOffice set. Now by clicking the LibreOffice, it's very similar to Microsoft Office in the sense that it allows you to do Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, and more. You can simply open up the LibreOffice main window, which will allow you to create your documents, your spreadsheets, presentations. Just simply click whatever you feel, drag it into the window, and go from there. Some tips will open up and will allow you to create whichever document you would like. And it's very easy. LibreOffice is but one of the many applications that you see here to the left that an employee can use to be productive. And being that it's pre-installed, all of the configurations can be adjusted and it's ready to go right out the box. Now some of the other applications that can be installed, for example for business use, would be Skype, Zoom, and the Zen applications here, which are phenomenal for business use, as we will see here. Now you can log in with your Zen Hub account and set up the business through here, and this will allow you to access business documents, set up tasks, coordinate with your fellow business associates. Another fun app, like previously mentioned here, is Skype. If you need to do some video conferencing back and forth, that will assist with any projects or meetings you may have. Here on ZenKit, you have the ideas and team notes like I was mentioning before, and Skype. All of which sign in with the business, continue, and be productive as you need to be. Now for settings and customizations, getting used to the actual desktop to what you need, the setting tabs gives you a lot of options between the network, Bluetooth, background, appearance, notifications, searching your apps and documents. Multitasking is great as far as creating multiple desktop environments so that you can help organize and be productive. Setting your privacy settings, online accounts, which this was a main feature I really enjoyed seeing, is that Ubuntu allows you to connect your Google accounts, your Microsoft accounts, and other accounts like Exchange so that you can access all of your documents that have been uploaded to the cloud or to OneDrive and have full accessibility to those documents, which will make data transfer and backing up and accessibility through this upgrade very, very easy. This also allows us to not have to worry too much about converting the data from one data type to another, as Linux will be able to read the docx files or the Excel files or even a lot of the Google files that are on the Google Drive. Now, as an employee uses Ubuntu, they'll get more and more familiar with it. It is a little bit different than Microsoft Windows. However, the similarities are enough that it should be a smooth transition. And again, at the end of the day, when the employee is ready to sign out, simply go over here to power off logout, and you can log out or power off your system. Simply hit log out if you would like, or you can wait the 60 seconds, preferably it's faster, and you can go from there.